Hello guys, so good morning. Day 2 here in Shenzhen, China. From Hollyland, we connect Hollyland branding. So ayan. Today there's typhoon here in China. So but here in Shenzhen it's fine. There's a rain, but the wind is not that strong. So but again, still we have an event or gathering here in Hollyland headquarters. So yeah, I'm excited to attend the event. And but again, before we're gonna go to the event, we'll take first our breakfast. So let's go to the buffet area and take some breakfast. May gatas tayo. Ayan. So we forgot our USB-C cable. So katanga-tanga. So ayan. We bought this power bank here. Z2 Go. Ayan. It's a iPhone power bank. Ayan. Because of the USB-C. Yan, diba? Katanga-tanga. Naiwan ng USB-C. So, but again, still we need to use also the power bank here. So, yeah, we purchased this Z2 Go. It's nice. Hello, so day 2 in the event. Ayan. I think the weather is good now. I hope maybe tomorrow the event will be outside. I hope. Yeah. So, and today we are going to the same hotel in the third floor, same area, which is for the buffet for the breakfast. But yeah, I think it's a ballroom, similar with the yesterday's event. So today, let's see what's the event of the Hollyland day 2 of the tour, because they canceled the first one and yeah, it's the second day. So let's find out.
Walnut, right? I think it's the walnut materials from the North America.
等一下，我们主要需要的主要工具呢，就是锉刀啊。
Is the file knife.
然后锉刀呢，注意看啊，锉刀是有两个面，一个是平的，一个是弧面。
As we can see, there are two appearance of the files here. One is a flat file, and another one is edged.
我们等下主要做的呢，就是用平的这一面会用的比较多，因为平的这个面呢，会更好掌握那个大的直线啊，它就不会错歪。
And so as we can see here, we are going to mainly use the flat appearance layer because this one is more easy for you to control the lines. Okay?
等一下大的形态锉出来之后呢，我们还需要用到我手上的砂纸。
So when the base appearance comes out, we also need to use this tool.
一共呢有6张。
There are 6 in total.
它有不同的目数啊，它的颗粒度它会越来越细住啊，更好夹住。但是我们要用圆的去夹一个东西，因为它接触面本来大的更好夹住，但是呢我们用小的。就是中国它有个什么呢？叫做事人要相对来说。
另外一杯小一杯线上酒。
Set the bells because you know why? We have a very famous slogan in Shenzhen. We say that the time is money and efficiency is life. In Shenzhen, and our policeman will let you know why the time. You know the right of carry order? No, the right is.
It's not available in Korea.
No. I think.
Like this one.
来充几点？充几点？10公尺走路的铁闸。
所以只是土地而已。
Hello guys, so it's another vlog. So day 2 here in China, Guangdong, Boa. Yeah, I can pronounce now is Boa. Yeah. So again, today's event, guys. In the morning we do Hollyland chopstick making. So I make these chopsticks, guys. So it's myself, right? Yeah, it's. Now I know how to make this chopstick, and takes an hour, more than an hour, making this chopstick. But I enjoy guys making this chopstick. So yeah, thank you Hollyland again, Hollyland, China, Guangdong especially for the event for this chopsticks making. After that we go to a lunch. with Charlene and lunch together with Charlene and Bahoy. Yeah, the other guy, I forgot the name. And after lunch, we go direct to it's like a one room with full of playing games, mostly games and KTV. So after that, me and Charlene went to famous shopping mall here in Shenzhen. Yeah, Shenzhen shopping mall. And again, tomorrow I think we will come back there for another event, like a puppet event. So after that, we go again dinner with Noe from EMT, Advanced Media. Then after that, we went to the park. The name Shenzhen Park something, but I will show you. It's a Shenzhen Park. Yeah. And I took some photos there, just walking around with the garden in the park. It's very nice view. Yeah, I like the view. Then we go home, and yeah, so it's very tiring day, but it's I like the chopstick making from Hollyland. They teach us how to make this chopstick. So thank you for the guy who teach us regarding how to make the chopstick. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's vlog, day 2 in Shenzhen. So tomorrow I'll try what's the event for tomorrow, but I hear there's a puppet making. Yeah, so and I think that's it for today. Again, I want to flex first the Hollyland for inviting us here in behalf of AAB World, and also thank you AAB World to our guide, Miss Charlene. Yeah, thank you again. Check nyo Hollyland brand, guys. They have tons of product and they have a new product from Hollyland, so it's a game changer product from Hollyland. Just watch out for that brand. So I think that's it for today. Thank you, and see you tomorrow for the day 3.